OXYGYM Hotel. Let's get in and take a look. There's a room, there's 2 beds. Got the AC over there, which is much needed in the summer here. Got a TV here, which unfortunately is not smart. Got our stuff here. Got the minibar here. Put the drinks there. Tea kettle. View could be better. But anyway. Out here some stuff to hang. Prayer carpet. And now, so that's the kid room which my kids used. And that's the second room. King size bed, same TV, AC, and both rooms have a bathroom, an own bathroom of course, with a shower and a toilet. Shower has an on light, which looks full. Yes. So that's the restaurant menu. Got some different kind of shakes, which my kids loved. We didn't try any of the burger, pizzas that were not available at our time. So there's a beefsteak, which seems to be a big issue in Pakistan at the moment to get anywhere a proper beef steak or beef at all in restaurants. Yes. Overall, the prices are very, very affordable. They're actually almost as any other restaurant in Pakistan which I visited yet. Same goes for the content of the minibar, which is also very cheap. So overall, this day was very nice. The OXYGYM Hotel. I paid 35,000 rupees for 2 nights. Breakfast was included, which was okay. The staff was very nice. Rooms were very clean. Room service was always on time. Tidied up the room, cleaned up everything. When we ordered food, it came also in time. It was a tad spicy, but otherwise it was overall everything very good. Can't complain about anything. It was a very pleasant stay, pleasant team. It was a lot of fun here.